knowledge, their view, their experience. So, definition of history. According to Professor Rainier, what he says is a history is the memories of society. Many societies or the many civilizations which have they lived and they got ended up. So the memories here, the memories are nothing but about the same events that we are going to study. Is telling according to Professor Rainier, history is the memories of the societies, which are all the societies which are lived, the people how they used to live, how they lead their life, what they used to cultivate, what they used to have, all this, what their culture, how their lifestyle is to be there. All those memories are they are going to study. That's why they are telling memories of society. History is a memory of society. According to whom? Professor Rainier. Next, dictionary.com. According to dictionary.com, it's a branch of knowledge dealing with past events. Many branch of knowledge, not only one particular incident or event you are going to study. All together, we are going to study how the life of all the life of the society in a society, how the people used to live in the earlier days in all the aspects, politically, socially, economically, and religiously, how the people used to be there in the earlier we are going to study. That's why they are telling it's a branch of knowledge dealing with past events. So students, definition, when it comes to definition, according to Professor Rainier, history is the memory of the societies. And according to dictionary.com, the branch of knowledge dealing with the past events. Dear students, now we got to know what is history and definition of history. Now we are going to study the next topic is importance of studying history. Why do we need to study history? Why do we want to know about the history? Why we are studying? Why you have to get to know the details of the history? First is past events or incidences, information will be able to find out easily. Correct? Whatever the incidents has taken place, about that when you are going to study, by having the history, you are going to, it will be able for us to easily find out what has happened, why it has happened, when it has happened, we will get to know. Next, it is also helps us to compare the past and present condition of the society. Whatever the changes has been taken place over a period of time, for a longer duration of time, it won't be there in the same way as the people grown up, they civilized, get knowledge more, they keep changing. Correct? So it helps us to how the people used to be lived earlier and how we are living now. It helps to compare us by ourselves to the help of the historical documents. Next, it provides details of a particular place, king, person, military achievements. Correct. Particular place. For example, in India, whatever who are the rules were ruled, kings were ruled and got ended. How their military achievements was being established. Then about a particular person, it may be a Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, how he used to be there with the people, what was his political strategy, all those things we'll get to know. Next, it helps to know about the lifestyle of people in the older days, how the people used to be there in the ancient days, medieval period, and now how we are. How the drastically changes has been occurred from the life of from the ancient period to modern period. That we are going to know. So, dear student, first is importance of studying history is past events or incidents information will get to know and find out. Next, we can compare those incidents with the present situations of the society. Next, third one, any particular place, king or person information also we can study. And it also helps us to compare the lifestyle of people, how they used to live in the olden days before the civilization. Next, basis of bringing changes in the present life. Whatever the earlierly the people have lived, those changes has been drastically changed. We are now educated, we get to know to write, to build something for ourselves, and we are also leading a technological world. In the same way, why this all is happened? Because of the changes in the human thinking. So the basis for bringing these changes is how? Because of the history. History is the basis for everything and anything that has been changed for a period of time, or that has been taking place now and then. Next, last point, study the geographical features of various places and various culture, religious and financial condition, etc. Yes. Geographical features. The land has been, the structure of the earth is not similar or the same in all the regions. Some regions are filled mountains, some regions have plains, some regions are desert, some are with the rocks, some are fully forest area. So all this we can study with the help of the history, with the help of map. With the help of the map, we are going to study the geographical features along with the historical information also through various sources. Basically, what is the importance means to study the past events, we need to study the history in order to get a proper conclusion, proper decision. That's why we are going to study the history. So, dear students, in today's class, we learnt meaning, definition, and importance. In the next class, we are going to study about the different time periods of history, dates of history, and how the role of geography is helpful in knowing the history and sources of history in the coming classes. Thank you. Please go to the video. Have a great day. Thank you.